These are the Nicoshow compression packing cubes. They're made from nylon, which is water resistant, and there's also meshing on the front. There are 7 pieces, and I'm opening the largest one here. This first one is a laundry bag. It's nice for when you're traveling. You can put your dirty clothes in here so you can separate them from your clean ones. There's also a drawstring so you can close up the bag. Next is the underwear packing cube. You can put your bras, underwear, and socks in here. There are 3 layers. This first layer has a clear holder. You can put underwear or socks in here. This next layer, you can put bras, and you can also stick some underwear or socks in the little holders. Lastly, there's this third layer, which doesn't have any holders. It's just flat. This is the smallest packing cube, and then there's this medium one. This is the shoes bag. It can fit a pair of sneakers up to size 12. When you open it, you can expand it. The last piece is a cable organizer. It can hold up to 8 USB lightning cables. I like that it has these different compartments so you're able to organize your cables and not have them tangled up. Now back to the large cube. I'm unzipping it further to expand it. Once expanded, it looks like this. I think the best way is to roll up your clothes, but here I'm just going to show an example by using a puffy jacket. Once you put your clothes in, you zip up the top first. Then you zip up the bottom to compress it. I think the compression is decent. I like having these packing cubes to stay organized for when I travel. Overall, they're great.